Hi friends, I'm Bo. Let's get our brains and bodies ready to read. Do you love letters? Yes? I do too. Do you know something neat about letters? Every letter has a big letter and a small letter. Do you want to meet a letter today? Okay, let's meet the letter E. These words start with E. Elephant's eyes and eggs. Elephant's eyes and eggs all start with E. Great job! Would you like to draw the letter E with me? Yes? Okay. Which one would you like to draw first? The big E or the little E? Okay, let's draw the big E first. Draw a line down, add 3 lines. Good job, friends, your E looks fine. Great job drawing a big E. Now let's draw a little E. Draw a line, now half a cookie. That's a little E. Looky, looky, looky. Let's do that again. Draw a little line, now draw half a cookie. That's a little E. Looky, looky, looky. Great job, friends! Do you remember what letter we met today? That's right, the letter E. Thanks for learning and moving with us. Bye for now.